What exactly is cybersecurity? It is the protection of internet-connected systems, such as computers, servers, mobile devices, networks, and data, from malicious attacks. Also known as information technology security, this practice is used by individuals and enterprises to protect against unauthorized access to data centers and computerized systems. Cybersecurity is vital for every organization, regardless of size. As we increase our software needs in areas like education, healthcare, and government, the risk of cyber attacks also grows. In today's interconnected world, more data is stored and transmitted electronically than ever before, making attackers more aggressive in their search for essential documents and information. Let's look at why this is so critical. Protecting sensitive data. It guards personal, financial, and intellectual property from theft. Prevention of cyber attacks. Effective measures help prevent malware, ransomware, phishing, and DDoS attacks that cause massive disruptions. Safeguarding critical infrastructure. It protects essential systems like power grids, transportation, and healthcare from threats that could impact public safety. Maintaining business continuity. It prevents lost revenue and damage to reputation by minimizing the impact of attacks. Compliance with regulations. It helps organizations avoid significant fines and legal action by meeting data protection laws. Protecting national security. It prevents cyber warfare by protecting military installations and government systems. Preserving privacy. In an era where everything is digital, it maintains our privacy rights and promotes trust in digital services. Cybersecurity is the backbone of our digital life. By protecting our data, we protect our future. If this video helped you understand the digital shield, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights.